So the news that we've been wanting to hear for ages, guys, a leak about all the new colours for the iPhone 16 all the way up to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I, for one, am super excited about this, and let's see if we'll get any of the colours like we can see here in the renders. Now, one thing I want to quickly mention before we go into all the new colours, and that's to do with the actual iPhone 15 colours. Normally around about this time of year, around about, I can say, end of March time or beginning of April, we normally get a brand new colour introduced at least to the sort of basic form of the iPhone, or sometimes the Pro models too. So, like last year, we got a new yellow on the iPhone 14 around March time, and then the year before that, we got the new green colours for the iPhone 13 models, and then a purple for the iPhone 12 on the year before that. But this year, it looks like we're not going to be getting a sort of new midterm sort of colour being introduced to any of the iPhone 15 models. What I am going to say is a bit disappointing. But never mind about that, we do have news about the new iPhone 16 colours. And first of all, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max brand new titanium colours. So, as we can see here, we've had a new report in from Shrimp Apple Pro. And what Shrimp Apple Pro has said is that we're going to be getting a brand new rose gold colour. Now, we've had this colour in the past, like you can see right here. We had this on sort of previous generations with the sort of iPhone 6Ss and the iPhone 6s, and before that as well, the 5S as well. We actually had this colour back then, but we haven't actually seen it in a good while now, and it looks like Apple want to reintroduce this colour back into the colour range. But what also Shrimp Apple Pro talks about is a brand new space black colour also going to be introduced into the range this year too. Now, on the face of it, these new colours do sound awesome, but from my opinion, I think these are a bit of a downer and a bit of a letdown from Apple, in my own honest opinion here. Let me explain why. Shrimp Apple Pro has said that the titanium blue that we've got like right here with the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to be replaced by that rose pink colour. And I'm, for one, quite a bit of a fan of this blue colour. I do actually really like it. I like the natural colour of the titanium, but I love this one too. So for Apple to completely drop this colour, I'm a bit disappointed that it's going to be replaced by sort of a pink colour, but I guess I can't be too biased with that. But there again, as we can see here, Shrimpy has also said that this new space black colour will actually be replacing the black titanium colour. And to be deadly honest, I'm for one not going to be quite sure how this is going to be much different with this. But my only guess is that the new space black will be similar to the space black we got on the MacBook Pro, for example, but obviously in a titanium finish. But the other thing to mention too is that Shrimp has also said the natural titanium colour and also that titanium white colour is going to remain around. What we've had on the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, this is going to be available on the iPhone 16 and also the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But there again, he has said there's going to be a little bit of a difference here. He said that there's going to be a bit of a tint difference in the natural colour, a bit more of a greyish sort of look, and also the white colour is going to be more, well, you guessed it, more white. But it does look like, in conclusion, for the Pro iPhone 16 models this year, we will have that rose gold colour, space black, natural and white titanium, so a total of 4 colours again. So then guys, just quickly, I want to talk about today's sponsor, and that is from Touras with their brand new all-in-one O-stand case. What looks like this, and it's absolutely fantastic, and let me tell you why. It features this O-ring at the back, which is a magnetic ring, and as you guessed it, you can use this to use MagSafe accessories with it, including charging up your phone via this case. You can also connect up other MagSafe accessories to it too, but something else to mention, what you may have noticed, the ring is super strong and also thin enough that it fits into, say, a normal phone case. And the case, as you can imagine itself, it's super strong, so any bangs or anything like that, if you did drop your phone, then it's going to be able to withstand those breaks from a reasonable distance. The ring on the back also has other purposes too. As you can see here, you can actually twist it fully around, and you can have it in any position that you want. So this allows you to have it, say, your phone in a portrait mode, or for example in a landscape mode, to watch videos with that too, which is really awesome. I actually find this ring really helpful for a bit of extra security. So when I'm actually using my phone, I know I'm not going to drop it anytime soon. That is around my fingers. And then when I'm finished with it, I can just literally just snap it back up, back into the actual case. So overall, this all-in-one O stand for all case is absolutely amazing. Touras insists on originality, with the O stand series being representative of their original stand cases. Their commitment to bring this stand case a more convenient way of using mobile phones to people's lives. And if you want to check out getting your hands on this brand new Touras case, make sure you check out the link details that are in my description of this video to get your hands on one of these cases right now. And with that, it's back to the main video. So moving on then, what about the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus? What new colours are we going to see here? Well, sadly, we may not get the two-tone colours like I'm showing here in these renders. However, I do hope someone at Apple sees them at least and reconsiders this for, say, next year. It'd be cool to have this two-tone effect on later iPhones, in my opinion. But moving on though, for the colours of the iPhone 16, we've actually had a leak here from Fix Focus Digital telling us all about the colours we're going to be getting. The good news, as you can see right here, is that all the current colours of the iPhone 15 are staying around for the iPhone 16. So this is the likes, if you like, the blue, the yellow, the white, the green, the black. All of those colours are sticking around again this year. However, there are two new colours that are going to be introduced to that same range of palettes. And I will be deadly honest with you here, it's probably the most obvious colours what they need to add into this sort of palettes of colours that we have right now. As you can see right here, we've been told we're going to be getting a new purple colour, what's probably going to be very similar to that purple we got with the iPhone 12, and also we're going to be getting a brand new white colour also introduced. And this is a colour what I thought was missing from this year or last year with the iPhone 15 range, that there was no white colour. So it's glad to see that this is being introduced this time round, so really happy about that. I said so last year that it was really odd that this didn't come about. Maybe Apple will finally listen to me, or maybe it's just a marketing ploy for them to introduce the colour this year. But let's be honest, let's stick with the marketing ploy. It's more like Apple here, isn't it? But in any case, as you can see again in this chart, we will now have a total of 7 colours on release, what is the most colours we've ever had on an iPhone release. For my own thoughts then about all the colours, so starting out with the Pro colours. Now, from my point of view, I am going to say I am disappointed that we don't have, say, a brand new colour altogether. You know, we've had blue before, you know, before we got the titanium blue. We've had this rosé or rose gold before in the past on previous iPhones. Come on, Apple, bring out a brand new different type of colour. That is what I really want on an iPhone, something that you've never done before. I really want to see that. So I am a bit disappointed, but there again, having said that, you know, probably next year with the iPhone 17 range we might get brand new titanium Pro colours that time. But overall, we've still got some good colours coming in this year. And then for the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus, again, like I've said earlier in the video, it does make sense that they're adding this white colour and also this purple colour. It is the sort of missing two colours from the range that Apple have done in the past. But again, it is very samey here. I am happy that the white and the purple is coming, and to be honest, if I had the choice of all the colours that I picked there, I'd actually probably pick the purple and also the white. They would be my choices. But like I said here, guys, as you can see here from these renders, I really wish like a two-tone sort of approach would come about. Do something a bit more special here, Apple. That's what I would love to see here. And how about you guys? Would you love to see something different here with the colors? Let me know in the comments below, and that I'm not just going barking mad here, that I'm the only one thinking that they do need to bring out some brand new different colors here. But the good news is though, what I am going to say, more than likely, but don't hold me to it, next year with the iPhone 17 colors, hopefully we will have some brand new colors introduced to the range, because you know, Apple just can't keep on doing the same route over and over again. So fingers crossed there, we will see some new colors next year with the iPhone 17 models. Now, next of all, I would normally talk about the release date maybe, or maybe about the price, but I think today we're going to skip over that. And if you do want more information about that, I will be making a video in the future about the release date and the prices and the reasoning behind the prices. But if you want to get a quick recap, check out some of my previous videos because they do have information about the release date and also the prices too. But on that note, guys, are you disappointed or are you excited with the brand new iPhone 16 colors for the Pro range or the normal range? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to know your thoughts too. And on that note as well, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. Also, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons, please also make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.